How to create trending reels with Reelshot. Want your videos to go viral on Instagram Reels and TikTok? Reelshot is a secret weapon. This guide will show you how to leverage Reelshot's features to create eye-catching, trending short-form content. Always start by setting your project's aspect ratio to 9:16 in Reelshot's canvas settings. This is crucial for full-screen vertical viewing on Instagram Reels and TikTok, just like this, maximizing your screen real estate. The absolute key is trending audio. Find a viral sound on TikTok or Instagram, then import your clips to Reelshot. Make quick snappy cuts and transitions in Reelshot, visually syncing them to the beat and rhythm of the trending audio. Keep your clips short and impactful. Overlay engaging concise text using Reelshot's animation features to drive a message. Apply a popular filter or present effect that aligns with current trends. Finally, export a video in the highest quality possible. Then upload it directly to Instagram or TikTok and watch your reel take off. You've successfully learned how to create trending reels in Reelshot. Go viral with your content. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot social media strategy tips.